English is like a key. It opens doors to the world. When you speak English, you can talk to more people. You can learn new things. English helps you in your career. It also helps you travel and make new friends. Learning English is a journey. It is exciting and fun. This guide will help you learn English in the USA. The USA is a great place to learn English. It has many schools and programs. You will also experience American culture. Learning English takes time and effort. But don't worry, with the right approach, you can do it. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. Soon, you'll be speaking English with confidence. The USA is a popular choice for English learners. Why? First, Americans speak English. You will hear English everywhere. This helps you learn faster. Second, the USA has many English schools. You can find a school that fits your needs. These schools have experienced teachers. They use fun methods to help you learn. Third, the USA is a diverse country. You will meet people from all over the world. This is a great way to learn about different cultures. It also helps you practice your English in different situations. There are many ways to learn English. One way is to take an English class. In class, you will learn grammar and vocabulary. You will also practice speaking and listening. Another way to learn English is to immerse yourself in the language. This means surrounding yourself with English. You can watch English movies and TV shows. You can listen to English music and podcasts. You can also read English books and articles. The best way to learn English is to use a combination of methods. Find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to try new things. Learning English in the USA is not just about textbooks and classrooms. It's about experiencing American culture firsthand. This hands-on approach makes learning fun and memorable. When you immerse yourself in American culture, you encounter the language in real-life situations. Order food at a diner, ask for directions from a local, or chat with a barista at a coffee shop. These everyday interactions boost your confidence and fluency. Attending cultural events is another fantastic way to immerse yourself. Go to a baseball game, visit a local museum, or enjoy a concert in the park. These experiences expose you to authentic American English and create lasting memories. Section 5. Choosing the right English program for you. The USA offers a wide variety of English programs. Consider your learning style and goals. Do you prefer small classes or larger groups? Are you interested in intensive programs or a more relaxed pace? Research different schools and programs online. Look for reviews from former students. Contact the schools directly and ask questions. Don't hesitate to request information about their teaching methods, class sizes, and extracurricular activities. Consider your budget as well. Program costs can vary. Some schools offer scholarships or payment plans. Explore all your options to find the best fit for your needs and financial situation. Section 6. Finding your tribe, making friends and connections. Moving to a new country can be daunting, but remember, you're not alone. Many other international students are eager to connect and practice English. Your English program is a great place to meet people. Participate in social events organized by the school. Join conversation clubs or language exchange programs. Don't be shy to strike up conversations with your classmates. Explore your hobbies and interests outside of school. Join a sports team, attend a cooking class, or volunteer in your local community. These activities provide opportunities to meet like-minded individuals and practice your English organically. Section 7. Practical tips for daily English practice. Learning English is like exercising a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Here are some practical tips to incorporate English practice into your daily routine. Keep a journal. Write down new words and phrases you learn. Use them in sentences to solidify your understanding. Use language learning apps. Explore apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Memrise for vocabulary building and grammar exercises. Watch English movies and TV shows. Use subtitles initially, then gradually wean yourself off them as your listening skills improve. Listen to English music and podcasts. Pay attention to the lyrics or content and try to identify new words and expressions. Section 8. Embrace the journey and celebrate your progress. Learning a new language takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. Did you understand a conversation on the bus? Successfully ordered food at a restaurant? Had a short chat with your neighbor? These are all accomplishments worth celebrating. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to fluency. Embrace the challenges and enjoy the journey. The rewards of being bilingual are immeasurable. Section 9. Take the leap. Your English adventure awaits. Learning English in the USA is an enriching experience. It's an opportunity to improve your language skills, immerse yourself in a new culture, and broaden your horizons. Don't let fear or hesitation hold you back. Take the leap and embark on this exciting adventure. With dedication, perseverance, and the right resources, you can achieve your language learning goals and unlock a world of opportunities. Your English adventure awaits.